Yo, look at these. These are insane. Let's go. What is going on, guys? It's your boy Kev. Welcome to the channel. Today we will be installing aftermarket taillights from today's video sponsor, TTABC. Now, I have talked about TTABC before. If you follow me on TikTok and Instagram, they are my sponsor. Be a code in the comment section that you guys can use, and for the taillights that I installed in my car before. Now, if you want to see that video, you can see it up here. They are the RGB ones. The ones I have here are the RGB as well. I'm super excited to do this. Man, these are beautiful. Like, I cannot wait to see these on my car. Like, woo! I'm so hyped. I do have a friend of mine who's, we all have that one friend who's like really good at installing car parts and knows a lot about cars and stuff. So he's actually gonna come and he's gonna help me install it. We're gonna have to take the whole bumper off. I'm gonna tell you guys how to wire it, all that. So let's get into it. It's gonna be fun. Show you guys what came in the box. You do have your two headlights right here, and I did put that one in wrong. That's not how it's gonna come. I just showed you guys how it is, but I just put it back like that. It does come with this bag right here. Now, these two wires, now one is gonna be for your SC and LE, the other one is gonna be for your XXC and your TRD. I'm gonna have your little key fob button here. It also comes with an instruction manual. Now, this is gonna be super helpful, guys, in case I miss any points in the video. Not even that, but I do recommend messaging TTABC on Instagram because they are super helpful as well. It does give super clear pictures and everything you need to install. Those adapters that you guys saw, some are for the XSC, LE, and TRD. You might not even need them because mine were super plug and play. I didn't even use them, but they are really good backup wires. But if you guys do have any problems, make sure to message TTABC on Instagram. Make sure you keep this. Before we get into the installation video, let's talk about where you guys can find these headlights. So there will be a link in the comment section down below where it will direct you to TTABC's official website. Not only do they have Camry headlights and taillights, but they also have Honda. They have a couple other brands on there. You could also use this discount code for the same exact headlights that are displayed on screen and the ones that I have. If any problems or you guys want to ask any questions, make sure to message it on Instagram because they reply super fast as well, and they're always here to help. All right, let's get back to the installation video. Guys, so we started working on the headlights. So you are gonna have to take off this little trim kit on the top. It does have these little push things that you can just take off real simple. We got Jay helping me out. Now, the next thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to take off the little button that's right here with a trim removal kit. It's easier if you move your tires to the side so you can get in there. Now we're trying to take off the whole bumper. So there's, you said 5 under? 5, 10 mils. So there's 5, 10 mils under the car. So you're gonna have to get under there and, you know, just take it off. So I'll update you guys once we're done with that. All right, so now the bumper is off. You are gonna have to remove a little sensor that's on top. The first headlight is removed. There is 3 little plugs that you just have to disconnect. So once the headlight is removed, you do wanna match up these little 3 spaces here. Same process, just in reverse. Now, there might be a little space right here. So if there is a little space right here, you want to take this bottom part and push it in so that way you can get a gap. And then it is plug and play, so you just want to plug that in. Right now, everything is connected. We are going to have to connect a wire to the fuse box because just like the aftermarket taillights, there is going to be a wire that connects to them both. Before this does get connected to the fuse, you are going to use little fuse clips so that way you can connect it. It does get connected to the headlights. All right, so we made a small hole right here on the fuse lid. That way there's no loose wires. You know, obviously we're gonna zip tie them and everything, but you don't want it to be pinched pretty much. So, you know, just a little helpful tip. All right, so we're doing on the other side. The other side is literally the same thing. The only difference is we did have to connect that little black wire. Make sure you do have the black cable connected to both of the headlights. This is pretty much the sync of it, so make sure it's connected. You want to take this little part, pop it up, then you find a little hole, then you go for the click, and you're good. Now what's left is just putting the bolts back on the bottom part, and then I'll show you guys the start animation.
Alright guys, now that the headlights are fully installed, you are going to want to download the app called Light Running. It is free on the App Store. So once it starts up, it will go straight into like the clear, as you can tell. So once you're on the app, you just want to go to hit device. I have both the RGB headlights and taillights. You just have to know which is which. But the taillights are off right now, so it's gonna be this one. So this one has over 40 different features, you know, so yeah, makes it look really cool. Now, depending what state you're in, you're not allowed to have the color lights on your headlights. So you can control it on the app, or you can use the key fob. You simply just hold it and it will go back straight to normal, just like that, you know. So it's a really cool feature. On the app, you can also control the color of the sides. You can also control the color of the 3 bulbs here, and on the swoosh. The light out, you don't see it. Right there, you see how I am controlling the side colors right now. So really handy. And the key fob should work again. Yep, there you go, you see? Super simple.
And there we have it, guys. Aftermarket headlight RGB style for the Camry. I actually love the color. You guys know purple is my favorite, especially because my car is beerish, so you know it makes sense. Hope you guys did enjoy this install. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow the channel, and don't forget to check the comment section for the discount code you can use at TTABC. They are tagged as well. Shout out to my buddy Jay for helping me out. Jay, come over here. There you go. I'll tag his information as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one, all right? Peace.